Hello, I'm Frank from Fonekong team, China. Now let's talk about Fonekong solution class. iPhone XS Max. Case number. Okay, this is Face ID failure. Case number 51. Move a little higher or move a little lower. Let's see what's the solution. Okay, look here. This picture, move a little lower or move a little higher. What's the solution? Okay, check dock projector flex broken or not. This is the dock projector. This is the flex cable. Check the flex cable broken or not. Okay, this is the step one. And then if not broken, and then check dock projector connector J4500 open GR. Let's see J4500. This is the connector. Let's see. Okay, then side connector here. Here, check all the pin GR. Okay, every pin here, the GR. Okay, this is the GR. Diode mode to check. Okay, if some pin GR not correct, for example, if this one 720, if it is not correct, how to do? Just click it, and then to see where it goes. Look, it goes to this one. And next pad. Okay, go to the capacitor, this, and last pad. Last pad, also, this one, go to the U440, U4400, this pin G4, okay? So, this is the way to check the pins. Another case, another solution. If this not work, and then change dock projector. Change this one. How to change? Actually, it is not changed. To fix, it is fixed. How to say? Change dock. Okay, let's see the solution. We changed something on dock projector module, but okay, let's see the details. Let's see the details. First, backup old dock flex data. Okay, how to backup? Backup with this is the programmer I2C, or we have different programmer. This is JC programmer, anyone, and some other brands. Okay, I just show you two brands I ever use. Backup, and then remove dock MOSFET and short it. Remove dock MOSFET and short it. This is second step. Look here. This MOSFET. Remove it and short this with the solder. Okay. Remove this is the MOSFET. Take it off and short it. This is second step. So, okay. Number 3. Remove the dock module and install on new flex cable. Yeah, you see this? You see this flex cable? This flex cable buy from market. Okay, this flex cable buy from market. These are the new flex cable. So actually we have to short and change flex cable. Short the MOSFET and change flex cable. After that, write the backup data to new flex cable with the programmer. Right, just now we backup, do you remember? just now we back up. Just now here we back up, and then now write to the new flex cable. Write the data to the new flex cable. Okay, and after that, install the new flex cable and align it. That's all. So here we can say, okay, it is not changed the projector. Short dot MOSFET and change flex cable. Right? That's correct description. That's Chinese description. Okay, so the solution is to short MOSFET and change the dot flex cable. Okay, dot flex cable. Okay. That's all for case 51. Bye bye.